take this off my shoulders.
All right, folks, well, welcome back. I hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend. Wanted to give a quick update on the lawn and just kind of a quick overview of what I did over the weekend. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about what I threw down, what my plans are, and then let you guys watch some real trimmer drone footage that I shot this weekend, and let you guys enjoy that. I know a lot of you are interested in watching how a real mower works, and an overhead view is kind of nice. Plus you can kind of see the neighborhood and how my lawn has stood up to the weather and all the different effects that we went through in August, now moving into September. This morning I threw down some sedge hammer because I'm fighting nut sedge. You'll probably seen that in a couple of my other videos. And that's the only thing I'm throwing down today. I've got rain coming in, some cooler temps tomorrow. Probably can hear the wind in the background. Oh, I just realized this. My Texas sage is blooming, which usually means we've got rain coming, which we do, so that's kind of cool. And then my Creighton myrtles are finally rebounding after the 108 degrees. We got lots of different blooms on them, so that's, sorry, didn't mean to get distracted there. Anyway, so a couple things that I would equate to why my yard looks as green compared to my neighbors. One is just really being on top of my fertilization this year, making sure that I had CarbonX applied at least once a month. I never went any longer than 4 weeks, I don't think, putting it down, even fighting the Bermuda mites. I just went with a little bit lower applications. Once I got the Bermuda mites under control, quick update on that. This is where we had the mites really bad, was in this whole section right here. And so you can see the grass looks really healthy, and I don't think that's going to be as much of an issue, although I have preventative put down. So I would equate you know, staying on my fertilization plan. I've upped it to about a pound right towards the end of August when I scalped, put down a pound of N, and then I put another half pound down about 2 weeks later. So we're in pretty good shape. And by the way, this is about 3 weeks after I scalped, so we're in pretty good shape. Still showing some little scalping in there, but I've also been cutting it in different directions, just trying to make sure keep it as level and as flat as I can, and trying to get consistent growth. The other thing I'd say is that Green County fertilizer products, I used RGS, Humic, 1801, Green Punch, Green Effect, Miracle Green, or not Miracle Green, Micro Green, excuse me. And all of that all had a pretty positive effect on where we are. I mean, when you're looking at your lawn, it's not just about the plant, but it's also about the dirt, right? And getting that dirt right, and I think that really has had a positive effect. And then the California trimmer, just cutting with a mower that's going to promote healthy growth and not be tearing at those blades. Bermuda's thick, and it's hard for these rotary mowers to really cut thick grass, so I think that's another big plus. So with all that said, obviously that's what's equated to the overall health of the grass. So I will I'll get this drone footage up for you so you guys can enjoy that. And as always, please give me a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really does help. It encourages me to continue to do these videos, knowing that you guys are liking the content, and inspires me to get behind the computer and do some editing. So please hit that subscribe if you haven't yet, and with that we will get that drone up, and we'll see you in the lawn.
My friends say that she's a keeper, but I let her go. I didn't know how much I need her till I was on my own. I've been drinking, but the truth won't drown. Oh, the truth won't drown. Bad medicine won't go down, down, down. It's on my mind, it's on my mind, it's on my mind. I can't sleep at night. you're mine. Now the nights are cold and miss you on my shoulder, miss you there on my cheek every night. She's on my mind, she's on my mind, she's on my mind, she's on my mind. I can't sleep at night if she ain't by my side. She's on my mind, she's on my mind, she's on my mind, she's on my mind. I can't sleep at night if she ain't by my side.
Champagne Jack en les chaque table. Madame a on laisse au moins y'a 4 pattes. Objectif money mais qu'on backpack. Apprendre son main qu'on tic back. Pour la tactique j'ai dit tic tac 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 tic. Presque à fait tic tic tac. Presque à fait tac tac tic. Presque à fait tic tic tac. Presque à fait tac tac tic. Presque à fait tic tic tac. Presque à fait tac tac tic. Presque à fait tic tic tac. Presque à fait tac tac tic.
I can't trust in you, and I refuse to let you blame me for a fool. You said that we were possibly spending time at me. Yeah, that's what you told me. That's what you told me. You want me, you have to be fulfilling all my dreams. If you really want me back, if you have my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me and call me baby? First, there are some things you need to know. If you wanna live with all I have to give, you need to feel true love, or it's got to end. I don't want you trying to get with me, and I end up unhappy. I don't need the hurt, no, I don't need the pain. Before I do give myself to you, I have to know the truth. If I spend my life with you,
talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. A love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I tell myself. One, I'll pick up the phone. I know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them. But he keeps pulling me backward. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I tell myself. One, I'll pick up the phone. I know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone too.